Good morning, students. Plus one physics, we are doing differentiations. Okay, beta. But I understand these are new things, and in a starting, you will feel some difficulty in a differentiations. बट जो डिफ्रेंशिएशन है ना, ये स्टार्टिंग में आपको डिफ़िकल्ट लगेगा और लगना भी चाहिए, क्योंकि नई चीज़ है आपके लिए। लेकिन जैसे जैसे आप करते जाओगे, ये बिल्कुल मैथमेटिक्स ही है, वैसे वैसे आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी और आपको इजी लगेगा। अब ये जो डिफ्रेंशिएशन है, मैंने अभी आपको सिर्फ 2 वीडियोस भेजी हैं और आज मैं तीसरी भेज रहा हूँ, एक और मुझे भेजनी पड़ेगी। अब 4 वीडियोस में ये डिफ्रेंशिएशंस अगर ऑनेस्टली कहीं तो नहीं पूरा होता, बहुत वाइड है, बट दिस इज रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ अ टाइम। सो इन्हीं 4 वीडियोस में मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आपको सारा पता लग जाए। आपकी जो क्वेरीज हैं वो मेरे नंबर पे आ सकती हैं, आप भेज सकते हो बेटा। So these 7 formulas we have done कि d by dx of c constant is equal to 0, differentiation with respect to x. This is differentiation with respect to x of a constant is equal to 0. This we have done. Of a cx, c is a constant, it will come out and this dx will cut and c. And this is the basic formula. This is a basic formula, dy by dx of x key n. X is here is a variable, here is x variable. So this can be written nx n minus 1, and this x again differentiation dy by dx of x. So this will cut dx, so no need to write. So we are writing the formula up to here only. X k n is equal to nx n minus 1. This is cu. No, c is a constant, but u is not a constant, it's a variable, right? It is a variable. So c will come out and dy by dx of u. Now u, this cannot be cut. Cx, x can cut a x, but here u cannot cut a x, so it will remain as it is. Now u key n just like this. Here x will cut, but u cannot be. So n u n minus 1. U is the variable. U is a variable bearing with the x. So it can be written n u n minus 1 and u differentiation again dy by dx of u. So if there will be plus and minus in between, then we will do first differentiation, then of second. This way, dy by dx of u plus, or plus will be then plus, minus will be then minus, dy by dx of b. This we have done in a last lecture. Then if there is a multiplication, two functions both are varying with the time, with the x, in fact u and v varying with x, then first function differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. This can be written here also, b second function differentiation of first, because plus is here, so this function can be here, this can be here, does not matter. Today we are going to do this next formula, dy by dx of u over v, right? This formula was product formula, right? If there was a product, but this is for divisions, quotients, u over v. Then one function is upside in denominator, one in denominator. So how we will write? See what I am doing. Firstly, I am doing the differentiation of upper function u, d by dx of u minus d by dx of b, d by dx of v. When you are doing the first function u, this upper function differentiations, the second will be as it is, here v, then here u is as it is. Meaning is v denominator dy by dx of denominator minus u denominator into differentiation of denominator divided by this b, whatever is in a denominator is square, right? So this is the formula, v d by dx of u minus u dy by dx of v over b square. To make it clear, I am taking one numerical which is in your exercise. I have to do the differentiation of this. The question will come this way: differentiate with respect to x. You know, we can write this BRT in short, with respect to x. So how we will write? Firstly, we will write let y is equal to this, right? Then we will do the differentiations with respect to s, both sides this way, of a y and of a this. Clear? Now see, this is the function which is upside, and this is the function which is, this is means u and this is a b, right? So we can take 7 can come in front also, but we are doing it with the same formula, with the same way, so we will not modulate it, change नहीं करेंगे, u और b as it is. So v means x plus 5, differentiation with respect to x of u 7x की 5 minus v minus u 7x की 5 and dy by dx of this v. First function differentiation and this is the second function. Divide by v x plus y का square, right? Now let us solve it. This is just like cx, है ना? 7 will come out and dy by dx of x की n. बेटे जंप नहीं मारना किसी भी जगह पे. Now see, firstly we will do the differentiation of this dy by dx of x, that will become 1, and then dy by dx of 5. Let us write separately of x, then dy by dx of 5. Okay, divide by x plus 5 का whole square. Now see, x plus 5 into 7 into n, x, n minus 1 means 5 minus 1, that is 4, minus 7x की 5, and this becomes 1, then this becomes 0, है ना? This will cut this, and constant differentiation is 0, and x plus 5 का whole square as it is. Now see, this become 35 x square x plus 5 minus 7x5 over x plus 5 का whole square. This will multiply inside 35 x की 5, then 5 5s are 25, then 175 है ना, x की 4 minus 7 x की 5 divide by x plus 5 square. This is 5, this is 5 again. So the answer will be, here I am writing, this is 26 x की 5 175 x की 4 over x plus 5 का square. So this way this question can be solved, right? So just u over v formula we have applied here. Now let us have the next formula, that is the equation formula number 9, dy by dx of a x plus v की n. Note it down, this is not a formula, in fact this is just like a question. a x plus v, देखो x यहाँ लिखा है बेटा, यहाँ x लिखा है, ये n क्या है 1 2 3 और ये भी कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं. अब अपने दिमाग में समझो कि ये सारी जो चीज़ है ये x है, ठीक है, और ये x की n बन गया, तो इसको कैसे लिखोगे, n x, x मीन्स a x प्लस v, n माइनस 1 हो गया, ये फॉर्मूला लग गया, n x n माइनस 1. और जो ये x जो आपने माना, इसको एक बार फिर से डिफरेंशिएट ऐसे करते हैं ना बेटा, a x प्लस v, एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. जस्ट इमेजिन दिस इज होल इज x, ओके, सो x की n x n minus 1 and x differentiation again. Now see, n a x plus v की power n minus 1. Now you will do separately. A will come out and only a will left, and this is a constant is 0, means this is your formula a n ax plus v and minus 1. No need to learn this, cram this formula. Just this is just like a question, right? Now the 10th one is simple, dy by dx of log x. Log x, it is 1 over x. This you have to learn. Log, natural log, exponential is here. This can be written 1 over x. And the last formula, in fact one more we will do, dy by dx of exponential x. This will be ex. ex का करोगे तो ex ही आएगा, ठीक है बेटा। देखो यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x है, dy by dx of log x, तो यहाँ क्या होता है, इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे dy by dx of this x अगेन ये होता है, ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो इसलिए ये फॉर्मूला बन गया। Here again x, so dy by dx of x again in multiple, so ये फिर कट हो गया, so no need to write, right? अगर मैं वही कह रहा हूं, अगर यहाँ पे x ना होता, मान लो ये यहाँ होता eax, ठीक, तो क्या बनता eax as it is and dy by dx of ax, this is in place of x, so ax again, so a will come here and this formula will becomes this way. Like मैं एग्जाम्पल लूँ, dy by dx of e2x, एक्सपोनेंशियल की पावर 2x, then exponential differentiation is as it is e की पावर 2x and 2x differentiation again, this is in place of x ना, this, so this again differentiation. मैं एक बार फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, इस x का यहाँ भर भी किया है बट वो कट गया इसलिए हमने लिखा नहीं है, यहाँ पर किया तो कुछ बच जाता है, क्या बचता है, 2 बचता है, तो आंसर इज 2 आउट एंड dx will cut and this is 2 into e2x. Is it clear beta? So this way you will solve these numericals and these are the formulas. Okay, so मैं कहूँगा कि आपके पास एक तरह से लर्न करने के लिए ये फार्मूले हैं, ठीक है, ये इतने से हैं, 7, 8, 9, 10, ये आपको लर्न करने हैं। ओके, देन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, सम फार्मूलाज आर देयर, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर डिफरेंशिएशंस, dy dx of, there are 6 parameters, 6 trigonometric ratios, so I will take all. Sin x, note it, it is cos x, cos x it is sin x, tan x it is secant square x, this you have to run, cot x this is cosecant square x minus का, and then secant x it is secant x tan x, then cosecant x this is cosecant x cot x, so these are the formula minus signs. See, sin and cos are interchanging. Sin differentiation is cos x, cos is sin x. About a minus I will tell you later. Tan and cot, is tan secant square x and cot cosecant square x. If we will do of secant, see here secant and tan were collectively, then secant x differentiation is secant x tan x. Again in the same way cosecant x differentiation is cosecant x and cot x. So this, there are 3 types of differentiation in fact. Here are squares and here are in double in numbers in multiple, secant x tan x, cosecant x cot x. Now in a differentiation, wherever is co is coming, here is co coming, here is co coming, here is co coming, cos, cot, cos. In differentiation, their differentiation is with the minus sign, This way you can learn easily without any confusions these differentiations beta. Okay, इस तरह तुसी इन्हां नूं लर्न कर पाओगे। ओके बेटा, सो अज लई इन्ना काफ़ी है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।